I have saved my file. Then in the B6 cell, we can see the name in the documentation worksheet. We have to check it, or else you have to download it again. So the name is displayed correctly in the B6 cell. So we can move to the store invoice sheet. Here our first project step is to change the height of row 1. So I'm just right clicking on row 1, and there we can see row height and type 36. Here by this we can just adjust the height of the row. And our next step, yes, start with the height. Next step is in the range B2 to G3, change the font size to 11. Firstly we have to select B2 to G3, and then in home we can find the font size. Then we have to select 11. Done with the second step. And here coming to the third step, move contents from H4 to C4. We are just selecting the H4 to 6 H6 cell, and then right click, cut, and coming to the C4 to C6 and pasting there. Yes, I have pasted it, and we have done with this step. And next, the fourth step is to click on, firstly we have to click on G4 cell and then enter the given date. Yes, now I have entered the invoice date. And our next step is to improve middle invoice section. Here, firstly, we have to auto fit width of column C. So by clicking the double click the right border of column C, so the text fits properly in it. And now the next step is to change the name of the robot, updating the name. That's it. Yes, I have done with that. And our seventh step is to enter all the values from table 1. So now here I am entering the pricing and discount details exactly as given in the instructions. Sorry, I have entered comma there. Yes. Yes, done with this. And now the discount value also. So next instruction, step 8, is to calculate the total for the first item. I am multiplying quantity by unit price and subtracting the discount. So the formula here is, and that is the formula. So next I am just copying the formula in cell G10 and then paste it in the range of G11 to G13. Yes, our next step is to, in the cell G14, enter the formula using sum function, which is sum bracket G10 to G13. This is the sum formula. So we will get total or item prices using the sum function. Yes, done with the sum. And next, in cell G16, I am linking the subtotal directly from G14. G14 14. So we get the subtotal. Yes. And here the next step is to sales tax is calculated by multiplying the subtotal by the tax rate. So in G18, multiplying both the, yes, we got that final sales tax. And then our next step is the invoice total is subtotal plus tax plus shipping. So we are adding all this to get the total price. Yes. Now enter. We got the total price. And our 14th step is to add outside border for F16 to G20. We have to firstly select all the blocks and then go to the border section and select outside border. Yes, we are going to borders. It's right here. Now outside border. Done with this. And next step, yes, done with that. Coming to the instruction 15, we have to wrap the contents of the cell B20. So here we are using a wrap text. Yes, done with this. And our next step, next instruction is to create a copy of the invoice for Heart Academy and naming the sheet Heart Invoice. Yes, now by clicking that, so here we can observe we have created a copy. We have to rename it. So just click on it and we can find the option rename. Yes, now we have to just type Heart Academy. Oops, sorry, it's invoice. So just we have to change it. Heart Invoice. Okay, Heart Invoice. Yes, I have renamed it and we have to move it after the store invoice section. Just click on it and move it, drag it to the end. Yes, we have dragged it. And the final step is to we have to make some changes in the sheet which we have created. In this we have to update the billing name to Heart Academy and clearing the old invoice. So yeah, we have updated the name. Yes, done. And now we have to clear the cell C5 to C7. Just select the cell and then right click. We can clear contents option. Yes, we have done with that. And now also we have to clear from B10 to F13. Yes, clear contents. Done with this. Okay. So finally, this is how our final worksheet looks like. The documentation, stove invoice and Heart Invoice. Yes, done with this. And next, and this is the Heart Invoice.